have shared about gratitude being very important to be happy, where people say like single child feel lonely.
Mm.
So how counting on your blessings, how do you feel happy that you have so many things that are given to you? So you need not worry for something which is not there. So whatever is there with you, nurture that and be happy with that and try to spread happiness to the world.
Exactly.
So these are the many topics that are included in the book. There are about 10 chapters.
Mhm.
So all the chapters are like stories. It begins with a story, and then there is
Lesson.
um, a, st- a message to be taken with every from every chapter.
Yeah. So
So
it's before concluding the show. There are a lot of people who want to be motivated, want to be inspired by stuff because they are losing jobs and they are in that negative zone. So, would you like to share some 3 to 4 advices for the younger generation on their career, on how can they build up their career to face this world?
Uh, yes, Jason. I personally feel like, first of all, like you shouldn't get stuck with one thing. The reality is, the pandemic has hit and the jobs are gone. But
Yeah.
then, uh, you would definitely have every individual would be definitely blessed with multiple skills.
Correct.
So if probably you had a job which was based on one or two or three particular skills, you still have some seven or eight skills which are there. So always try to explore, try to be open, try to go out to face the world with an open mind.
Yeah.
Okay, I was into some profession. Currently there are no jobs in that particular profession. Okay, let me see what is there and how best can I fit into that. If I am somewhere like say just 50% of what is required, let me upgrade myself and let me reach up to a level where I'm eligible, I am qualified, and I can tell them like during this pandemic I didn't waste my time. Like this is what could be told, like I didn't sit at home and just feel bad about having lost my job. I have upgraded myself, I have developed my skills, my talents, and today I am ready with this. So I need to be absorbed in your organization. You need to give me an opportunity to try out what is the best that I can do the best for your organization and as well as for my betterment.
Yeah.
So probably this will this should help. You always have to have an open mind and be ready to face any challenges and be ready to take up any opportunities. Do not think at this moment like no, the salary is less or this is not my job. No, for the moment, in fact what you're getting is a blessing. So go into it, prove yourself, put in extra work, develop yourself, develop your skills, and meet up to the requirements of the organization, the expectations of the organization.
Yeah.
And the organization will definitely value you, because instead of just sitting and feeling bad, you have, I mean, the particular person has put in efforts to improve, to upgrade. So this should help.
Yeah. Thank you
It
so
may
much.
take little time.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the time, Ms. Veronica. I know you're busy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in live today. May God
Yes, yes.
may God bless you. Are you writing any other next book or still coming up with anything?
Yes, Jason, I have already started, as I said, I have started with gathering the ideas and jotting them down in a rough draft.
Mhm.
So another, because this book has been published only on 15th of December. Today it is a month since my book got published. So it already became the best seller
Mhm.
in 4 out of 10 categories on Amazon. It is a bestseller. I'm striving to make it the number one bestseller. So a lot of promotions are on. And today I'm happy to share with you today the paperback version format of the book is also come. So
Nice.
it is also available. So both the versions are there. So maybe another 3-4 months to work hard on this. Meanwhile, I'm also focusing on my blog so that people keep visiting there.
Mhm.
And probably by God's grace, everything goes well. Probably in June, I should come with the next in series of this book, one and done.
Good. Thank you so much for the conversation.
Thank you so much, Jason.